This channel makes over $8,000 per month with just 35 AI-generated videos. This video hit 1.8 million views in just 4 months. And this is not the only channel like this. Here's another one that has over 100,000 subscribers with just 29 videos. But here's what no one is telling you. This is not easy because creators spend hours stitching together 5 or more different AI tools just to make one video. And because of this, they burn out. But I found a much faster way that cuts your workflow time to just 5 minutes or less. And I'll show you exactly how you can create multiple videos like this and start a faceless YouTube channel without much work. Check out the kind of videos we'll create now.
Use your afternoon for practice-based work and active recall sessions. Get moving. 20 minutes of evening exercise reduces your daily stress. Fuel your discipline with hobbies. Creative time prevents student burnout.
And guess what? The script, the voiceover, music, and all the visual images and videos are created with AI. And it's all done on one platform in under 5 minutes. I've previously made faceless YouTube videos like this, but I used this complex workflow. And I've even built my own custom GPT to help me with this to create viral scripts, great AI image and AI video prompts. And you can check out my prompts as well as my custom GPT down below in the description. However, this process still took a lot of time and effort. However, I found a new way to do this and it's much simpler. And I'll show you the exact workflow. Let's go. But first, let's determine what niche your channel should be in and what you should make a video about. I recommend making videos about finance and motivational videos because they allow you to best monetize them with YouTube ads because they have the highest RPM and you can get sponsorships easily. After you've decided on a niche, you just need to make a video. The tool that I'm using is a tool called Wondercraft, and it doesn't require any fancy editing skills. And you also don't need to know how to use multiple AI image and video generators and stitch them all together at the end. Click on the link in the description to try it out for free. If you want to custom tailor your script, you can use the viral scriptwriter GPT linked below in the description and simply type in the topic and it will generate the script for you. And here's the script, and it even comes up with some B-rolls or some charts that you can include. You can now copy the script and click on the link in the description to get access to wondercraft.ai. Click start creating and create a new account or log in with your existing account. Then down here, click on the script symbol and paste it right there. Click done and simply describe what kind of video you want to create. Remember this channel I showed you earlier? It had this stick figure-like style. As we can see here, these are all consistent character stick figure drawings, so we want to go with something like this. And the other video I showed you had a similar kind of style here. So to do that, we can use a simple prompt like this, hit next. Now you want to select the whiteboard style. Click on that, and for the format, I'm going to use landscape and I'm selecting fast. Click on next, and I'm going to leave these all on auto for now. And I'm just simply hitting generate. And in just a second, I'll show you what happens when you change those parameters. But first, let me show you an even easier way where you don't need to come up with your own script, but you can have Wondercraft create it for you. Create a new tab, and this time I'm going to look at the most successful videos right here. The title is A Perfect Daily Routine for Students, and I'm just going to copy this title. And now without uploading a script, I'm going to tell it to come up with the whole video for me. And this time I'll just give it this simple prompt. Notice that I didn't upload a script URL or podcast this time. I'll click on generate, select the whiteboard again, and this time I'm going to say that this should be a 3-minute video. Once again, I select the paste to fast and click next. Now let's change and optimize some of these settings to get better results. For images and videos, I'm going to select only videos because this is more engaging and performs better on YouTube. For sound waves, I'll click on none. For music, I'll keep this at auto. For avatar scenes, I'll keep this on none, but you can select an avatar if you're making non-stick figure videos right here. But for this video, I'll keep this on none again. For voice, let's come up with our own voice. Click on library and browse some of the available voices.
Whisper to the winds your deepest dreams.
Embrace your victory. Embrace your victories like...
I like this one. Click on add. For logo, I'm going to select none, but you can also insert your logo from your channel here. But now to the good part. You can either create a storyboard first, and this allows you to edit individual media prompts before generating the entire video, and this will save you on credits. But I'm usually good with creating the full video because the output is usually pretty good, and I can still edit it later anyways. So I'll click on full video, and now to the secret sauce. On the model preferences, you can now select your preferred video or image model. As you can see here, it has all of the latest AI image and video models that are state of the art. And the top 3 here are the ones that I would recommend. Kling 01, Sora 2, and Google Veo 3.1 are usually the best when it comes to creating high quality videos. But as you notice, Veo 3.1 also costs the most. For the best balance, I'm going to select Kling 01. And for the best image model, this is really important. You want to select GPT Image 1.5 or Nano Banana Pro. These usually give you the best results throughout. For custom music model, you have Stable Audio or ElevenLabs, and I'm going to keep this one on ElevenLabs. If we scroll back here, we can now see the total credits that it will take for creating this video, and I have 3,800 credits left over. Since we selected the best model, this is a bit higher than normal, but that's usually fine. If your video performs well, it pays for itself. And this costs a little bit more than it was originally because we selected the better models down here. I recommend that you try different models, different length of videos to experiment what the sweet spot is and then double down on the things that work. And if a video performs well and your channel gets monetized, it pays for itself. Now all you need to do is hit generate. And now the video is being generated and it may take up to 10 minutes and will return once it's done.
A few moments later.
Now let's check out the final result and I'll show you how you can edit the videos to perform even better and 2 more powerful features of Wondercraft that you can use for different types of channels. And here's the video that I came up with.
Break the burnout cycle. Build a routine for success, not just wake early between 5:30 and 7 a.m. Avoid your phone first. Hydrate, stretch, and eat a healthy breakfast to fuel your brain. Focus with Pomodoro, 50 minutes of work, then 10 minutes off. Be active in class, take notes, and ask questions to engage.
This is already awesome. It has a good voiceover, it has some background music, and the visuals look great. And you can check out the full video that I created at the end of this video. If you want to change any of the images or the videos, for example, if we don't like in this video that all of this is disappearing into the screen, we can simply click on that video and we can change the video by clicking on edit video. Click on that and reprompt it to what you want it to. And you can say what you want to happen in the video. For example, you can simply give it this. Click on send and it will now regenerate that particular video. You can also change the text. So for example, simply click on the text right here and say start early at 5:30 a.m. and then move this out and we can change this as well. And here's now the new clip. Don't use your phone.
5:30 and 7 a.m. Avoid your phone first.
And we can move this back to when he says avoid your phone.
And 7 a.m. Avoid your phone first.
And let's align this to end right here. This is
And
much
7
better.
a.m. Avoid your phone first. Hydrate, stretch.
And on the left-hand side, you can also see a chatbot. So if you want any sections to be changed or have any particular preferences, you can just give it the prompt right here. If you're wondering what it can do, simply ask it how it can help. So it can help with creative ideas, find assets, generate new content, or edit existing clips. And this is all super powerful because as you can see, in just a few minutes, we were able to create a whole 1-minute clip with voiceover, with animations, and with different videos that is exactly in the style that we wanted. If you now want to download this video, simply click to the top right corner right here and select download. Choose MP4 and download this. And Wondercraft can do so many more things. For example, it can not only do split figure videos, but it can also create promotional videos. It can have characters in it, or you can just create audio projects. You can upload a podcast or a URL to a website or to a blog and have it create a video about that as well. For example, here I created a video in a different style, and this one also looks great.
Hey there! Are you struggling to balance your studies, social life, and sleep? You're not alone. Most students feel like there just aren't enough hours in the day. But what if I told you there's a simple formula for success? It's all about routine.
But I prefer the stick figure style videos because then it's harder to tell if it's AI generated or not, and you don't have to reprompt the same image over and over again. On top of that, Wondercraft isn't only about workflows and templates, but it's also an AI playground where you can freely use the latest video and AI image models to create ad hoc videos in your own style. Now that you have your video, you can upload it to YouTube and see how it performs. I recommend that you try different style, different lengths, and play around with the settings to see which AI image and AI video generator performs the best for your type of content. For the videos that get the most views, try to make similar videos around that same topic and around the same style, and hopefully your channel will blow up. If you liked the video so far, like the video. If you didn't, then don't. And I have plenty more videos on similar topics like this on how to use AI to be more productive and make passive income. And I'm currently working on one that I'm super excited about, so subscribe if you want to see that next. All of the resources mentioned in this video are linked down below. And if you want to try out Wondercraft, click on the link in the description to start for free. I went with the Pro plan because this gives me enough credits to make a couple of videos per month and to experiment with it. But you can also create your first video with the free account. And you can enter code MOLUCER in order to get 50% off on the first month. And here's the video.
Break the burnout cycle. Build a routine for success, not just stress. Wake early between 5:30 and 7 a.m. Avoid your phone first. Hydrate, stretch, and eat a healthy breakfast to fuel your brain. Focus with Pomodoro, 50 minutes of work, then 10 minutes off. Be active in class, take notes, and ask questions to engage. Eat a light lunch and take a quick midday power nap. Use your afternoon for practice-based work and active recall sessions. Get moving. 20 minutes of evening exercise reduces your daily stress. Fuel your discipline with hobbies. Creative time prevents student burnout. Review your lessons briefly. Light nightly revision locks in your learning. Plan tomorrow now. Start a digital sunset 30 minutes before bed. Prioritize recovery. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Consistency beats intensity. Study 4 hours daily, not 12 hours once. Choose quality over quantity. Focus on effective learning, not just hours. Maintain balance. Mix hard study with health, hobbies, and proper rest. Discipline creates freedom. Build your routine and start winning today.
I made a whole video on how to create Ghibli-style animations. You might want to check that out here. And if you're subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.